laang. Final judgment in a knee-jerking beginning, followed by supercharged by Doral, stunning success, honor class, tragic Manila, while entry number 2, Laun Laang, is the early trailer. Final judgment, supercharged, pokes his nose by Doral, is stunning success, racing on the Padraud side, and inside the last 700 is stunning success, final judgment, and racing in third by Doral is supercharged, closing in as they race the last 500. Final judgment, stunning success, and moving up by Doral is supercharged, honor class as they race final corner is stunning success on the outside. Final judgment, supercharged on the inside is stunning success, supercharged by Doral. Last 150 is stunning success by about 2 lengths, supercharged, and finally the icebreaker, number 5, is stunning success, supercharged. Final judgment, Laun Laang, honor